First Group is a multinational company bringing transportation solutions all over the world.
First Transit is the leading transportation provider in the United States.
Our vision is to provide solutions for an increasingly congested world, keeping people moving and keeping communities prospering.
We serve cities and municipalities bringing transportation and maintenance solutions.
We're contracted by a client to perform the management and maintenance of transit fleets.
We operate and maintain about 12,500 buses. We have 19,000 employees.
We're one of the biggest locations First Transit has.
We have been using Infor EAM for 15 years.
We use Infor to spread best practices, identify efficiencies.
We picked Infor because of its open architecture that allowed us to adapt it to our business needs in our different divisions.
We use Infor EAM and EAM Mobile. We have reduced our maintenance cost as a percent of revenue, generally 3 to 6% a year.
We've seen it as a way to move forward to the next level of management and integration with our shops and our customers.
Prior to EAM Mobile, we were all on paperwork orders, and now we're on tablets. So instead of handing a technician a paperwork order, we're handing them a tablet. In that tablet, they have the technology that they need so they could stay at their bay and they could work without being interrupted.
I'm able to schedule him a work order, load it to the specific technician, and that technician can just go get the bus, bring it in, do the work that he needs to do. And as he's in the middle of it, I can review what he's in process of doing, and I can know that he's getting ready to finish up, he's getting close to the end of it, and I can schedule the next bus in line.
The technician really has what he needs at his fingertips. It reduces the time in looking through books and having to identify that on a case-by-case basis.
Standing over top of the repair, the technician can reference OEM manuals. You can see what parts should be used. He can see the directive from the supervisor.
At First Transit, our maintenance strategy is quality through efficiency, and EAM is an integral part of that.
Our preventative maintenance is the backbone of our fleet. If we don't have good preventative maintenance, then we're going to have an increase in road calls, we're going to have an increase in unscheduled maintenance.
During the preventative maintenance sequence, we repair and count for everything to where that bus doesn't have to come back into the shop till the next interval.
The most efficient way to maintain a vehicle is to maintain it correctly, and maintaining it correctly will deliver cost savings.
So if we're late on our services, then we have a higher chance of having those unscheduled work or road calls.
Unscheduled maintenance eats up man hours, time. It costs extra for parts, repair. If a part is not available, wasn't scheduled in, you have to overnight the part, or you're trying to get the vehicle back up and available for service.
The interesting part about EAM Mobile is that locations are finding new ways to use check sheets and the mobile device that we didn't even think of.
That streamlines the flow of where we're going with everything.
There are advantages and disadvantages to being a large company. Infor helps us take advantage of our size.